Hi, today I would like to show you another do-it-yourself kit from ICStation. Its item number is 13056 and its very long title is Do-It-Yourself Kit C51 MCU Laser Harp Kit String Electronic Keyboard Kit Do-It-Yourself Module Electric Production Sensor Music Controller. So, in a few words, it's a so-called laser harp. You can play little music on it using laser beams, and you can block the laser beams with your finger, and that's produce the sound. Let's see what is in the bag. Now we have a small speaker which magnetic and everything is on it, and it is prepared with a connector, a very nice PCB, double-sided, and some additional PCBs which should be put here and here. You have to solder them, and it connected the power to the upper board here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big holes, and you have to put a laser diode in each hole. Now let's see the paper. There is a paper inside. Unfortunately, it is in Chinese. You can translate it with Android or iOS application, but the schematic is clear. That is a well-known CPU running from 12 megahertz clock, and here are the lasers diodes, and here are the photosensitive resistors, and if you shadow one of them, then it is produced a different level of the input of the microcontroller, and then it will light up the corresponding LED and produce a voice. Here is a very familiar number, 440 Hz. This is the standard A sound in the music world. It is mentioned twice. The range is between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. It is the normal audible range of young people. My upper frequency limit is much less. And here you can see the assembling. So the plus should be in this direction, yes, and it is come up. So first I prepare the baseboard, or maybe this, because it's very interesting. How can I do this? It suggests us to use a hot glue, and we got a small piece of hot glue, but my hot gun uses a bigger one, so I will use this, and let's start to make it. So the red is the positive wire, I try to fix them a little with a small amount. That's a wrong idea because the hole is covered now. It is not possible to solder it. Now I finished the upper board, and let's deal with the other. We have a destroyed IC socket. Okay, and then IC, it is a little better, in a bit better condition. Lot of 1 key resistor and another group of 10 key resistor. With the red is the 10 key, without red is the 1 key. Tubes for the photoresistors. Heat shrink tube. What is this? 1 transistor. This is the driver of the speaker. And some LEDs and so on. Okay, let's assemble the circuit. Now the circuit is ready. Let's test it without the lasers. After a short Night Rider effect, this LED is on. If you press this, there is a small music. Let's do it. It. Now the circuit is ready, but I suggest you to use a double-sided tape onto the processor and you can fix the speaker. So now it is ready. I hope you will enjoy the building of such a small music player. I try to play a song, but it is difficult because it has only 7 tones, not 8. That was a Hungarian kinder song. I'm saying that was fun for me to assemble this circuit, mostly the mechanical part of it. I suggest you do not use the hot glue, because you can glue everything. Use a soldering iron and solder only one side of the laser at the first, and when you finished with the mechanical assembly, you can precisely set it to target the photoresistor, and when it is directed to the right position, then you can solder the other side of the lasers, and if you want you can solder again the first side, but be careful, do not overheat it, always wait between 2 soldering, and do not solder it under power because it can destroy the laser or decrease its power. You can order this kit from ICStation. Don't forget the discount code in the description, and if you apply it you will get 15% discount. And I hope you enjoyed this video or found it useful, and in that case please thumbs up and press the like icon, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel and if you think my channel is interesting for you in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your watching, have a nice day and goodbye.